Welcome, in front of me is Dell Latitude 5400, and in this video I will show you how to restore your account's PIN in case you forgot it. So in order to restore your PIN, you have to click I forgot my PIN, and then if you have a local account on your laptop, then you're gonna have to answer one of the security questions that you prepared for yourself, and once you do that, you'll be able to set up a new PIN code for your device. So do it, and once you do it, you'll be able to regain access to your account once again. And in case you forgot the answers to your security questions, then the only solution would be to reinstall Windows on your PC in order to regain access to your account. And if you need some help on your way, we have an entire video on our channel titled how to install Windows from USB on this laptop. So if you're interested, you can go ahead and check that video out. And now I'm gonna tell you what to do if you have a Microsoft account linked to your laptop. So in order you have, in case you have the Microsoft account linked to your laptop, you simply have to click send code right here. And once you click this icon, the code will be sent to your email. So you gotta check your email right now and enter the code that you received in the following field. Once you enter this code, press enter. Okay, let me try again. Okay, and once you press enter, click continue and then provide a new PIN code for your account. Make sure that you remember it this time. And click OK. And then this way you will regain access to your account. So I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.